The 2025 Opel Grandland PHEV marks a bold step forward for Opel, blending modern hybrid efficiency with strong SUV styling and next-gen technology. It's designed for those who want the best of both worlds, electric capability for everyday driving and petrol power for longer journeys, all wrapped in a sleek, contemporary package. Right from the start, the new Grandland makes a powerful impression. The updated exterior features Opel's signature Vizor front fascia, giving the car a bold and futuristic look. Slim LED headlights integrate seamlessly with the grille, and the sculpted hood lines add an aggressive edge. Every angle of the Grandland has been sharpened for a more confident, athletic stance. From the chrome accents to the new alloy wheel designs, it's clear that this isn't just a refresh, it's a reinvention. Under the skin, the Grandland PHEV combines a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver a balanced, responsive drive. The system is capable of running purely on electric power for short city trips, helping you cut down on emissions and fuel costs. And when needed, the petrol engine kicks in smoothly, making it ideal for highway travel or longer road trips. Charging is simple and fast, and with improved battery capacity, the electric-only range has been increased to better suit daily commutes. It's not just a greener choice, it's a smarter one. Inside, the cabin is a real highlight. The pure panel dashboard layout brings a fully digital experience, featuring a widescreen instrument cluster and a central touchscreen infotainment system that feels as modern as it looks. Everything is driver-focused and intuitive, from the climate controls to the infotainment menus. Opel has taken care to ensure that technology doesn't overwhelm, but enhances the experience. Materials throughout the cabin are soft touch and high quality, and there's ample space for passengers, luggage, and even weekend adventures. Rear seat comfort has also been improved, making it a solid choice for families. Safety and driver assistance features are just as impressive. You'll get adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane centering, and Opel's latest semi-autonomous driving assist. Parking aids and a 360-degree camera system make tight urban driving much easier, while blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert add extra confidence on the road. Overall, the 2025 Opel Grandland PHEV is a complete package. It's efficient without compromise, high-tech without being overly complicated, and stylish without losing practicality. Whether you're looking for a daily driver that's ready for the electric future or a family-friendly SUV that doesn't skimp on comfort and safety, this hybrid crossover deserves serious consideration. Opel is clearly aiming high with this one, and it shows in every detail. The Grandland is back, and it's better than ever. The 2025 Opel Grandland PHEV is here, and it's making a strong case for being one of the most well-rounded plug-in hybrid SUVs on the market. Sleek, modern, and packed with smart tech, the new Grandland blends practicality with efficiency in a way that feels perfectly in tune with today's drivers. With its bold design, efficient hybrid tech, and all the modern features you'd expect, the new Opel Grandland PHEV is more than ready to take on the competition. Whether you're upgrading your current ride or making the switch to electrified driving for the first time, this SUV deserves a serious look.